Hey homie, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Bonham It Is, and I just really wanted to shoot this video for sake of me being me. Actually, I have grown a lot of eyebrow hair because I wanted to shoot a video for you guys how I do my brows at home, because this quarantine has teach me a lot of things and this includes in it. So I think without wasting our time, let's get directly into the video. Let's start. Okay, so let me just quickly give you a close-up look of my eyebrows now. So look at it. I have grown a lot of hair. I hope you can see. So let's start. I'm excited because I wanted to do this tutorial from long time, because you know. So before actually getting into the video, let me just tell you, you will need 2-3 things for doing eyebrows at home. So I have this cute little box of manicure pedicure kit, and along with that I got this small scissor and this eyebrow plucker. You can call it this tweezer, you can say. So along with this kit I got these 2 things, and you will need this to make your eyebrows look good. Then along with that you will need eyebrow pencil and a mirror. So please don't judge me before, because I'm going to tell you my way how I do it. So let's start. So first I'm going to comb my eyebrow hair using eyebrow pencil. Then I use scissor to cut my extra hair. So on camera I'm going to show you only one eye so that you will get idea how I do it. I'm just now shaping my brow, and after that I'm going to pluck my unwanted hair. So now what I did, I firstly just comb my hair in upward direction, and I just gave it a good shape. If you want to, you can just repeat this step if you think your eyebrow is not in proper shape you wanted. Then after that I'm just combing my brow hair in downward direction, and okay, look at it, how much extra hair I have. Clearly now you can see a bad difference, because this eyebrow is messy, and look at it. Just by following 2-3 steps your eyebrow will look in good shape, but though it's not completed. So I'm going to pluck my hair right now, and now I'm going to give you a more closer look so that you will get to know how to pluck exactly. So if you're doing your brows for the very first time, and if you don't know how to do it, and if you are confused about your shape also, so you can just firstly draw your expected shape using eyebrow pencil like this. You can just outline it. Like this, and according to this outline you can do your eyebrow, means everything under this. The unwanted hairs you will see, you can pluck that, and also on above the eyebrow you will see some unwanted hair, so you can pluck that. And even while cutting your eyebrow, before that you can just outline this lines, and you will just cut your, or you can just shape your eyebrow using this outline also. So that way, if you are very beginner at doing brows, then you can do it easily. So always remember, while plucking, just make sure that you are plucking your hair from root otherwise it is going to stay there. Like this. I don't know, it's a very small hair, you can't see. So as if now I have done it so many times, so I can do it without this outline also, but if you are beginner then this is very important. Okay, so while doing plucking, just make sure you are making eyebrows like this, means you are stretching your eyebrows in this direction, or else you can use your hand to like doing this stage like this, and after that you can pluck your hair, because if you are beginner you will find this stage difficult for I think 2-3 times, and after that you will be pro. Okay, so I have plucked my all hairs using this eyebrow plucker, or you can call it tweezer. And look at this messy hair right here I hope you can see, and this is my eyebrow I just did. So plucking your hair for the very first time using tweezer is quite painful, you will find, but after you get regular in it, it is not at all painful. Okay, so I have almost done. Okay, so this eyebrow routine is not yet over, because you can see clearly difference between these two eyebrows, because I have filled this eyebrow using my eyebrow pencil, and now I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows or how to fill your eyebrows. Now let's start, but before that I want to tell you guys, everyone has different kind of eyebrows. Like I have eyebrow, but I have a good growth of my eyebrow, but some don't have that much, so according to your preferable shape you can do that. So I like to do this, it's very easy, it's not that difficult. So what I do, so my first step doing eyebrow is that I just draw a very light lines in this area to match this eyebrow. Then I just very lightly I draw outline below my eyebrow, a very light, because you know I don't have that much thin hair, I have pretty good hair growth on my eyebrow, so I don't need a lot of time to work on my eyebrow. After that just leaving some space here, I draw another upper line, and that is going to define your eyebrow shape. So yeah, like this, and after that I just fill my eyebrow whenever I think I need add a volume, I just do that. And if your both eyebrows not matching, then you can just do the shaping of your eyebrow. It's very simple. And after this I just comb my eyebrow hair. And this step is going to make your eyebrow pencil outline look good, it is going to disappear from your face, but because you know if you don't do this, then your outline it is going to look like a weird. So that is pretty much my eyebrow routine, and I do this whenever I feel I have grown extra hair right here below my eyebrow line, and so mostly I follow this routine only. Like, so I don't like to grow my eyebrows fully, I do plucking each every week most of the time, because I feel that that is a good way to maintain your eyebrows. You don't need much time to do it, so frequently you do plucking and you're just good to go after doing your filling of eyebrows. So that is the easy way. And for you guys, I have grown my eyebrows, and I like eyebrows like this. We only has fuller eyebrows. I don't like thin eyebrows. So that's my pretty much eyebrow routine. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial, and if you do, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and comment down below what you think about this tutorial. Means if it is helpful, then just let me know, comment hard. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So a good day, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and press that little bell icon nearby, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to know about it. So love you guys already. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.